Hi everyone. On behalf of Adroit Control Engineers and TecRover Didactic, I warmly welcome all the faculty members and students of GNIOT to the manufacturing unit of Adroit. Hi, I'm Tabish Haroon, the founder of TecRover Didactic, together with my co-founders Mr. Dayanand Arya and Rajesh Gupta, the founders of Adroit Control Engineers, a company with over 30 years of excellence in industrial automation. We are on the mission to bridge the gap between industry and academia. TecRover Didactic, a name that symbolizes our startup's core values of technology, exploration, and education. The name is a fusion of technology, rover exploration, with didactic symbolizing education. At TecRover Didactic, we believe that anyone can be a tech rover, a curious, self-driven individual who leverages technology to create positive change. Our mission is simple: connecting the dots between technology providers, academia, industry, government, and the students. We aim to build collaborations that foster a self-reliant ecosystem and empower aspiring engineers with the industry-specific skills and insights they need to succeed. Our strength lies in creating content that highlights technology, innovation, and education, sharing insights from our technology and knowledge partners. This visit to Adroit's manufacturing unit will give you a unique opportunity to experience and demystify advanced technologies like LV Switchgear and control gear assemblies, which are essential for safe, efficient, and reliable power distribution. Industrial automation control panels used to automate processes and applications for greater productivity, or drives and motion control solutions in collaboration with Yaskawa, enabling precise control of speed, motion, tension, and torque for the applications. And next-generation melt delivery technologies, hot runner systems, and temperature controllers for plastic injection molding developed in partnership with Tech. You'll also be inspired by the entrepreneurial journey of Mr. Rajesh Gupta and Mr. Dayanand Arya, who founded Adroit 3 decades ago on September 30, 1994. As college friends, they turned their vision into reality, building a company that's now a leader in industrial automation system integration and indigenized LV Switchgear and control gear assemblies that meet national and international standards, motion control devices, and hot runner systems. Adroit's expertise, combined with the collaborations with renowned OEMs and adherence to global standards, has positioned it as a key player in India and an exporter to markets across Europe, USA, and beyond. Today, you're stepping into a 30,000 square feet state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at the Industrial Model Township IMT Faridabad. Don't miss the chance to interact with Adroit's thought leaders, next-generation visionaries, and their incredible team. They'll share insights into how continuous innovation and adaptability drive success in today's fast-evolving industrial landscape. Once again, I thank the esteemed faculty and the management of GNIOT for investing in the future of aspiring engineers, empowering them to become self-reliant and narrowing the gap between industry and academia. Wishing you a memorable, insightful visit.